In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can turn off read receipts on your X account. By turning off read receipts on Twitter, users can safeguard their privacy and control their communication experience. This feature allows individuals to manage their response times without feeling pressured to reply immediately, fostering a more relaxed atmosphere on the platform and enabling users to engage with messages on their own terms. To do this, simply head into your X app. Tap onto your profile icon just right here. Then head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, select the option of privacy and safety. You will then head into the option of direct messages right here. Navigate to the very last option of show read receipts. Make sure to turn off this option. When disabled, Twitter does not notify the sender when you've read their message. This means that even if you've viewed a direct message, the sender won't be able to see if or when you've read it. Essentially, it keeps your interactions private by not disclosing your activity status to others. That's how easy it is to hide Twitter read receipts. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.